Hi, this is Namrata from Tenet Technetronics. In this video, I am going to explain the features and applications of Touch Shield. This is the capacitive sensing touch shield. A capacitive sensing touch shield is a technology based on capacitive coupling which takes human body capacitance as input. The MRP 121 IC is a great way to build simple capacitive touch interfaces, and now it is easier to incorporate into the Arduino project with a touch shield. The touch shield has 9 incorporated touch pads with the header for remaining 3 electrode connections. With this shield you can have a total of 9 touch sensitive buttons. An onboard logic level converter allows it to work with 5 volts and 3.3 volts on the Arduino board. The features of the touch shield are touch shield or the proximity detection, built-in drive shield function, enhanced proximity detection, protect sensing electrode from the noise interference, ultra-low power mode suitable for battery applications, on-chip integrated voltage regulator, environment compensative filter. User programmable options includes 4 detection thresholds, 4 option modes, 4 low power modes, reference freeze timeout. Minimal external components. Using this shield we can build many applications like consumer electronics, power critical and battery applications. Home and office applications like sanitary ware and white goods. Human interface devices for using hazardous environments. Thank you for watching this video. For more information, please visit our website www.tenettech.com. Thank you.